Good afternoon everybody, hope you're all well. Well, with this video we've got to the end of the first part of the form. Not a bad achievement in about 8 weeks, usually takes a little bit longer. I'm not saying anybody could learn from what we've done, but it's a good help, and all of the videos are available on the website. So moving on from Play the Pai Pai, we're going through the moving forward sequence, Play the Pai Pai again, and then the punch over right up to cross hands at the end. And we've had a bit of a close look at some of that. And also we're working on Qi Kung. Last week we looked at Play the Pai Pai and ended up at brush knee and push. We're now moving on through the whole sequence where we step forward and it's right brush knee and push and blocking back, and don't forget it's the turn that lifts your arm, and left brush knee and push. And now we're going to do another Play the Pai Pai. Overall there are 2 in the sequence, and step forward, brush knee and push. And now moving into the final part of this, you make a fist, you punch towards your palm, they don't connect, your hand comes to your shoulder straight through, turn, step, and then your hand comes onto your wrist, and the punch is just a move forward. Note your palms come up, hands to shoulders, and then we do on, sit back, turn, cross hands, and that's the end of the first sequence. I want to have a look at how you form the fist for that punch over. It's a Tai Chi fist, which is quite different to the other one we're going to look at, which we'll call a karate fist, where you, if you look on the right side of the screen, pull your fingers tight into your palm and put your thumb across the front. With the Tai Chi fist, you curl your fingers, but you leave a gap between your fingers and your palm. Now you've seen that, so we'll take a look from a different angle at how the punch works. So this is what it looks like from the front, and this is how you make the punch. First play the Pai Pai, blocking back, and we step forward, brush knee. Now we make our fist, we punch down, and your arm goes back, over, push to the side, and punch. And then we close off, ready for the transition. Qi Kung. We've looked at the beginning moves with Qi. This position, we went to here, and last time we ended up here. I want to talk about this a little bit because it's a position that people have trouble with, and I know I did when I started. You sort of come here and think, how can I get any higher, bring my shoulder, without bringing my shoulders up and so forth. The best advice, you follow your thumbs up to your nose and turn your hands around. At this point, as I've said before, you need to settle down, so drop your shoulders. You don't need to be out here, because this is where part of the problem comes. Drop your elbows, relax, come back to here, and you'll find in time you can actually go up there. The other thing to look out for is tension in your back, so you need to just open your shoulders a little bit and sink, and there you are. Yeah? So when you come up from here, follow up. As you come up, bring your elbows in. Try to keep your shoulders down, but in any case, when you get to this point, drop them, relax everything, and settle into the position. And notice my thumbs are opposing each other. When we're back in class, if we test that, you'll find that makes a big difference to your structure. And then we bring our hands down now with all these dropping motions. Let your whole body relax down. It isn't just a flop, it's controlled, but it's something you just have to feel. And then turn your hands, and your thumbs need to point back at your tantien. And again, that can make a huge difference to the structure. After every position, relax, get into it. And that's something to carry on into the form. Every time you make a move in the form, whatever it is, ward off, say, once you get there, take a second just to settle into it. You'd be surprised how much tension you put in every time you move. And it's just as true with the form movements as it is with the Qigong movements.